What's poppin', bells? It's your girl, Mella Bell, looking dead and tired as hell, but we still here, so.
Mella, oh man, yeah, yeah. Mella, reppin' the bands, yeah. She fine as hell. Still giving them hell. Oh, Mella.
We're gonna go with it. Last thing I posted, I believe, was last thing I posted was my song, but that was just to share with y'all. Before that, I posted about me having the virus. Yeah, I had to whisper that because I'm outside. You know, people be like, oh my God, and I'd be like, about to do this. But anyway, so yes, I'm in our garage space. I don't think I really talked about it too much on my channel. I'm gonna just come to the corner of the garage and show y'all what we working with. You can see Darius already had his studio foam up. We painted yesterday just to give it a nice even look. Y'all, McDonald's app, they talking about free medium fries, and I don't need it. Look at me, look at my face. I don't need it. I don't need it. So yeah, so we're actually doing another channel on Durban Bell. Obviously, that's going to be us more together, but I had to give my subscribers a more personal look. Also, for my girls that's trying to figure out how to make a creative space for a little bit of money. And I'm going to show y'all how I progressively build my boutique for under $1,000. To be honest, I could really say under $500, but I just want to, matter of fact, I'm going to say that because I've literally spent under $500. I'm just give y'all a quick list of items, but when I actually start putting them up, I'll probably either voiceover or whatever. I'm gonna tell y'all where I got everything from and how much it cost. What the hell was that? Y'all ever get choked in your words? And how much it costs. So, just to backtrack, feeling much better. Y'all can see I'm feeling much better. I'm back, you know, I'll say like 95%. Still got a little itchy throat, but other than that, really, I'm feeling good. I'm thankful, I'm blessed because there's a lot of people that have died and been a lot less fortunate than me. So, yeah, with that being said, matter of fact, I need to take these out because they're just like sticking for no reason. I just lost my train of thought. That's so bad. I do that all the time. But yeah, so I feel like I'm fortunate. I feel like I'm blessed. And I feel like even though it's a lot of crazy going on, I feel like I really still came out on top this year. Unfortunate because, you know, I did end up being down with the world. But other than that, and these damn bags under my eyes, y'all, we've been having some late nights, and late nights or early mornings, for real. We've been working really hard to get our daughters' plural, room together, which I'm gonna show y'all that as well, probably in a separate video. So we've been working, I mean, we've been up to 3 a.m., 4, 5 a.m., and then me waking back up before 12. So that's why my eyes are like this. And then we've been working on this, so we're really in between like 2 different projects right now. All in all, like I said, this really is to show y'all how I transform some of this space into my space, and I hope that y'all like it. It's gonna be real cute, real girly, real, you know, smell a bell. What y'all expect? So yeah, I probably won't be back until, look at all this extra Vaseline, y'all. Just my hair than this, okay? This is real. I probably won't be back to the end just to show y'all, just to outro y'all out. But so just to show you guys really quickly how I made my backdrop. The see-through curtain, it came in a pack of 2. I want to say, I know it was less than $25, came from Walmart, but I've had them for a couple years, so I can't remember exactly. The leaves came from Amazon. They were, I believe, $12, but I'm going to put everything in the description just so you guys can be sure. And that's it. I just layered the curtains and put the leaves in betweens and only used thumbtacks to hang them up. Super easy, super simple. So next I put together my organization cube. I actually got this cube from Big Lots, my local Big Lots. It was $40. It has 9 different slots. So it's a pretty good size. At least it's good for my size right now. Super inexpensive. It literally didn't take me no time at all to put together. I put most of it together by myself. As you guys can see, I did have my boyfriend help me, but girl, trust me, if you're trying to put it together, you could really do it by yourself. It's super easy. That's what it looked like when it was finished, and before I added the little black back to it. But I mean, yeah, super quick. Next up is my clothing rack. I got this from Walmart. It was 15 and some change, so I'll say $16. It is 2-tier. You can hang things on the top, you can hang things on the middle. Of course, it took me less than 10 minutes to put together, or maybe about 10 to 15 minutes to put together. Super easy. Again, super duper quick. Right at your local Walmart. Just wanted to show you guys really quickly. I got my organization boxes from Dollar Tree. They were all $1 each, and I got about 6 of them. So I actually did forget to show you guys the little lip light separately. I got it from Amazon. It was about $12 and some change. This is the finished look that I came up with. I'm thinking about adding some more stuff on the wall, maybe some pictures for the aesthetic, but this is my clothing rack all finished. Everything is put together, and actually I love it. I mean, like I said, I spent less than $500. It took me a couple of days only because I was in between other projects, but I mean, you could really do this all in one day. So I did want to give you guys a quick reminder of how we started versus how we finished. So it's super easy. You guys can do it. Trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, and let me know, because you know what I'm saying, I can show y'all a whole lot of stuff. So just leave me a comment and be like, sis, this is fire, I'm finna try it. And if you do set up your space, y'all tag me, send me your video so that I can see it, so I can repost it, because I want to see how you guys can get creative as well.